In this video, I will show you how to fix Telegram stuck on updating on Android. First, check your internet connection, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out network issues. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off. If Telegram is restricted in your area, you may need to turn on a stable VPN instead. Next, turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off and reopen the app. This refreshes your network connection. Make sure Telegram is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Telegram and install any available updates. If it still doesn't work, clear the cache. Go to your phone settings, then apps, then find Telegram and tap on it. Tap on storage, then tap clear cache. Avoid clearing data unless necessary because it will log you out. Also check background data permissions. Go to your phone settings again, then apps and Telegram, then battery this time, and set it to unrestricted or ensure background data is enabled. If nothing works, reinstall the Telegram, uninstall the app, restart your phone, then install it again from the official store. Your chats will stay safe in the cloud. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.